Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iOS 18 Widgets not working. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off, turn it back on. Restarting clears temporary glitches that affecting Widgets. Step 2. Check Widget app permissions. Go to settings, then privacy and security. Ensure the app has last location. Background app refreshes are other necessary permissions. Without permissions, Widgets can fail to update. Step 3. Enable background app refreshes. Go to settings, then general, then background app refreshes. Turn background app refresh on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ensure the specific app is allowed to refresh. Widgets need background refresh to show live data. Step 4. Remove and re-add widgets. Long press the widgets on the home screen. Tap remove widget. Tap plus at the top left and re-add the widget. This reloads the widget and fix display issue. Step 5. Update iOS and apps. Go to settings, then general, then software update, then update iOS 18. Open App Store, update apps with Widgets. Updates fix bugs in the both iOS and the app itself. Step 6. Check internet connection. Toggle airplane mode on then off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Widgets often fail if the internet connection is weak. Step 7. Reset all settings. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset all settings. No data will be deleted, only settings resets. This fix hidden conflicts that prevent Widgets from updating. And this is how you can fix if your iOS 18 Widgets not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.